Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on the Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. Go to the settings of Snapchat. Now scroll down and look for the blocked option and tap on it. Choose the user you want to unblock. Then tap on the cross icon located at the side of the user you want to unblock. Now tap on the yes option. And you will unblock friends on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to unblock someone on Snapchat. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.